In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a form from ConvertKit into your website. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, this guide will help you capture those valuable leads efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step, making it as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your ConvertKit account. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, take a moment to look around. It's always beneficial to feel comfortable with your tools, as that's essential for efficiently crafting your strategies. Once you're in, your next move is to find the Grow tab in the menu on the left-hand side. This is essentially your gateway to building connections, so give it a click. From there, you'll head over to Landing Pages and Forms. Within this section, you'll spot the option to Create New. Go ahead and select Form. Now you'll get to choose from a variety of form styles, primarily 3: inline, modal, and slide-in. Inline forms are embedded directly into your content, blending in naturally with the rest of your site. This option keeps things subtle while being effective. Modal forms, on the other hand, pop up in front of your content, making them an excellent choice if you want to capture attention instantly. Then there are slide-in forms, which gently slip in from the side of the screen or bottom corner, adding a more understated approach to engagement. Choose the form style that best fits your site's design and your marketing goals. Once you've made your choice, it's customization time. Tweak the form's design elements to match your brand's aesthetics. Whether it's tweaking the colors, selecting just the right fonts, or adding images, make sure it aligns with your branding. The more inviting your form, the better your chances of capturing those leads. And when you're absolutely happy with your design, it's time to make it live by hitting Publish. Now, hover over to the Embed option, and you'll be greeted with several different methods for adding your form to your site. The JavaScript option usually comes highly recommended for most websites due to its ease of use and built-in flexibility. The fantastic thing about using JavaScript is that it will automatically update to reflect any changes you make in ConvertKit. Alternatively, if you prefer having complete control over your form's appearance, using the HTML option might suit you better. For WordPress users, utilizing a shortcode can simplify the entire process. So, pick whichever option best suits your needs and then copy the embed code provided. Next, head over to your website editor. Whether it's WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or another platform you use. You'll want to locate the exact spot where you'd like your form to appear and paste the code you previously copied. Take a moment to double check that everything looks right in the editor. Once you're satisfied, save or update your site to make the changes live. It's always a good idea to test the form, ensuring everything functions correctly. So, open your website in your preferred browser and give it a test run. Fill out the form fields just like a visitor would to ensure the process is smooth and that you're collecting data just as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a ConvertKit form into your website, ready to engage visitors and capture those all-important leads. Happy form building!